Welcome to Organic Living and Kitchen. Today I'll be making organic garlic carrot salad. The salad is super delicious, nutritious, colorful, and easy to make. This is a perfect dish for every occasion, including potlucks. Please support me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. We're going to be using 2 pounds of organic carrots, peeled and rinsed. Entire head of garlic squeezed. I'm using a 1/4 cup of sunflower oil, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, a total of 1/2 cup of oil. I'm going to use 5 tablespoons of white vinegar, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of ground pepper, teaspoon of grounded coriander, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. The ingredients will be posted in the description below the video. Using a hand mandolin, I'll be shredding my carrots into medium-sized pieces. Now our carrots are shredded, we're ready to mix our ingredients. We're going to pour our oil, garlic, sugar, our spices, and our vinegar. You can use a spoon or a hand. Just go ahead and mix all your ingredients together. I like to wear a glove because of the oil. And pour your ingredients over the carrots. Mix well till all the ingredients are well combined. 1 to 2 minutes. Cover your carrots with saran wrap and place it into the fridge for 3 hours. Go ahead and remove in 3 hours. Give your salad one more toss before placing it on the bowl. Your salad is ready to be served. It will be juicy, crunchy, delicious, and beautiful. I encourage you to try it. And please leave a comment below and let me know how your salad turned out. I want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And God bless you.